Hi, thanks for clicking on my video. In today's video, I will be DIYing this makeup bag that I purchased from FiveBelow. I will be using some black rhinestones and some craft bows. I think this is a really nice bag, considering it was only $5. You guys, I really enjoy crafting. It gives me a feel-good dopamine boost that I need for sure. I really enjoy making gifts for others, and I will be gifting this bag to my stepmom for Mother's Day. At this moment, I realized this project was starting to become a bit tedious. So this side of the bag is completed, and I was going to place the bows next to the zipper, but I decided against that and went with the rhinestones instead. And of course, I have to make this side of the bag look like the other side. Up next, I will be applying some craft bows, and these are so cute and tiny. The oversized gloves was giving me a bit of trouble. Here is the finished look. I like it a lot. I really enjoyed making this. I think it's so glam. I really want to make one for myself. And if you guys enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up. Feel free to share and comment. And if you guys would like to see more videos of mine, I have more on YouTube and I will be creating more. So hopefully you guys will be watching in the future. Thanks, thanks, thanks. And I'm so grateful for all of you who watched this video.